Permian Basin.
Well, it is this year. It's usually very white and brown.
Quite hard to leave when near Mexico, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very weird.
North to south in 2 days.
Very, very weird.
But, hey, look, if it gives us a fucking 6-hour storm tonight, I'll be well happy.
Yep,
with you.
same.
Put new batteries in.
Yeah.
I'm just going to leave it filming.
It looks right now. Look at it. 75.
Yeah.
What's your temperature you got? It's getting toasty.
What do they have? 70?
76.
Nice.
Getting good.
We got 76 now.
Yep, it is getting fucking hot.
20.
And if you think that the temperature's increasing and you've got that moisture travelling up, the plumes coming up,
Yeah,
dew points of about 65.
We're in for a good night.
Yeah, it's looking good. Looking good.
you can't get dew points above temperature, can you?
No.
I was going to say,
It's
it's very
not
much.
physically impossible. It's impossible. You can't. Just get soaked in the fog. Look at that. When you get big tornadoes down there, they just pick these fields up and they go dirty brown,
Yeah.
dusty brown tubes. They're fucking brilliant.